Hello friends, today I came with one more interview question. In the interview, they might ask you why we use count star all to count values in the table, to know how many records are there in the table. So to show this practically, I'm just dropping one table with column. No, okay, I don't have any table. I'm creating one table with three columns: ID, name, age, and I am inserting four records as of now. Okay, in the four records, for the ID column, I am having four records. With third column is null value. If I want to count what are how many records are there based on the ID column, if you see, I got only three values irrespective of four values. Okay, if I do the count on name as well, as of now there is no null values in the name, right? So it will give the right value. Okay, but if I go with the age, again it will show three records. Why? Because in third column we have null value. So I am inserting all null values after the fourth, and it means like fifth value. So if I do that, all these three things will give the different 3 4 3. See, different values. So that's the reason, if you want to know how many records are there in the particular table irrespective of null values, see, as of now this is a simple table. So and I have inserted the data. Now I can know which column I can take to get the total values. Why? Because this column doesn't have null values up to 4. Okay, so in the real time we cannot see all that this is the column I need to pick and everything, right? So that's the reason we use count star from table name. See, total I got. What will happen? This star means all the records, all column values, irrespective of null values. So here the count star is used to count all the rows in the table regardless of whether they are null values in any of the columns. It counts all the rows including those one or more column values might be null. This is the answer that you need to give in the interview to impress that interviewer. Okay, I hope you may like this video. Thank you. Bye.